This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
It's all part of the plan.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna be documenting my journey on growing. Got a little indoor grow setup here. So today we're gonna set up my tent. I got some seeds germinating, but right now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be using this AC Infinity clip-on fan. It's the auto oscillating one, the 6-inch one. I got two of those. I got another one right here. I got the Vivosun, the VS1000E 100-watt LED light, and I got another one right here.